Here at Citrus Elementary today in Miss Long's 5th grade classroom, we were experimenting and doing experiments with the lab discs that were purchased by the district for our 5th grade digital initiative. The students did an introduction lab, I should say, at the beginning of class just to experiment with it, and they were able to test the sound by whistling into the sound probe. They learned decibels as a word today, decibel, and they were able to test the humidity. It has a GPS tracker, and they are able to walk around outside of school and test the different various probes throughout different environments in the classrooms as well as out of the classrooms. The students were participating in a temperature around us lab and able to take real-time data. Very exciting. They were able to tell the Celsius temperature of salt water, regular water, ice water versus alcohol, and they were able to tell whether it decreased and increased, and these are the new tools that the students have been able to have the opportunity to use. This was a first-time use, so it was awesome to see the success and the engagement in the classroom. The students are able to basically take less time with the preparing of the lab and the writing of the graphs, and they're analyzing. It was an analyzation of data, and they collected it, and they were able to see in real time the graph goes up, down, increase, decrease, both line graphs, bar graphs, and vice versa. Today was the first time and to see their faces, and they were told yesterday that they were going to be able to use a different tool today to collect temperature and data, and they did do a lab last week, and some of their curriculum has them doing with thermometers, so they get to still use those scientific tools, but going through the process and the science process using this as the collection piece, you could see their faces because it is real time and it fluctuates and it does it right in front of their faces, and then to see that data pop up on the screen and be able to see how it increases and decreases depending on what you're testing. It'll be a great tool for this year for the school and for all the schools in the district to be able to improve and have student engagement in science.